everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joanne, and if you're new here and you love to shop Luxe, welcome. Let's be friends on Instagram at Shop Luxe, and I'll link it down here for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a new video. Chanel is one of my favorite fashion houses because their bags appreciate its value over time. And also, if you think of reselling your handbags, they have also good resale value. So buying a Chanel bag is really a bit of an investment because you really have to save up some money to kind of like reward yourself once in a while and treat yourself to a nice bag or shoes or whatever you want that makes you happy. So in this video, I'm going to share you a Chanel bag that I got years back, and I've never really done an unboxing on this, but here's the item, and I want to review and give you the details, pros and cons, as well as what fits inside, and also mud shots of how to style the bag. Okay, so let's get right into it. So I purchased this bag from Nordstrom. I love the camellia flower. And here's the bow. So let's just open it. Oops. So I've used this a couple of times already, ever since I got it. And this is the tag. And the care cards. Here are the cardstocks that go inside the bag. And here is the dust bag. It says Chanel on there. Let's open it. Here you go. And this is the Chanel wallet on chain in caviar leather. Look how nice it is. Very beautiful. It is 7.6 inches in length, 4.8 inches in height, and 1.4 inches in depth. It has a chain drop that's 26 inches from the tip of this strap to the top of the bag. It is in black caviar leather, in classic quilted design, in the gold hardware. So I got this wallet and chain a year ago, and it used to be $2,500. Here on the receipt, it's $2,500, and with the price increase, it now retails from $2,500 to $2,700, and even more depending on the style of the wallet on chain. This is the front of the bag with the gold CC hardware, and there are gussets on the sides of the bag and here at the bottom. There's also a pocket here in the back, and behind the CC logo is the magnetic closure. It opens to a black caviar interior, and you'll find the Chanel logo in gold. There's a secret pocket that goes all the way down at the bottom of the back of the bag. There's also a piece of leather that holds the strap in place. The strap is completely movable. And the main compartment has a beautiful burgundy lining. There are 6 card slots right there. And there's a zippered pocket here in the front. There's slit pocket here. And another slit pocket here in the back of the zipped pocket. I like that there's a lot of pockets in this bag because it helps me organize my stuff. I like that this bag is so versatile. You can use it so many ways. You are able to change the look of this bag. You can wear it crossbody or a shoulder bag. You can also loop the strap inside the bag like so to shorten the strap of the bag and use it as a handheld bag or a shorter bag for more formal occasions. Or you can also hide the strap inside the bag and make it as a clutch. The only thing is, if you do this, it will limit your space for your essentials. But you can always use it as a clutch for more formal events. I did a video on my Chanel Boy Walk and I will link it up here. And I showed so many ways to wear your Chanel wallet on chain. Also, Leena Lux Life, a friend and a YouTuber, she sent me the link of the clip that she uses to hold it in place because the strap is so long. She got it from Amazon. I already ordered it, but I wasn't able to wait for it till I film this video. I would probably feature that clip on my next video, which is the comparison video of the Chanel Boy Walk and the Chanel Classic Walk and the Chanel Boy Walk. So watch out for that video. So now let me show you what fits inside the bag. I have my phone in here, my lipstick. I can use the card slots, but I want to put in my key cles. I have my Hermes basta to hold my cash and change. And I also have my card key. There. So I don't think I can fit more inside here, but I can put some receipts here inside, or cards, or other flat items that I need to bring. A pen, and let's see if it's gonna close. Yep, it did. Okay, so let's talk about pros and cons of this bag. For the pros, I really like taking this with me to go shopping because it's small and it's light, and I can definitely make my essentials fit inside here. The magnetic closure is also one of the pros because it's easy to open and close the bag. So even if you're not looking and you're just walking around, you could just close the flap and it actually snaps close in place. I like that this bag is so stylish. You can wear it during the day when you want to wear your casual jean outfit, or you can also wear this at night with your little black dress. Take it to the party or to a dinner with you. And you can also wear this as a clutch for more formal events. And now for the cons. One of the cons of this bag is that the back pocket is so small that I can't really fit my phone here, unlike other Chanel bags, which is reasonable because this is a small bag. But it would have been nice if I could make it fit here so that I don't have to keep opening and closing the bag all the time. Another con is the strap because it's too long and I am on the shorter side. But with a clip that will hold the strap in place, I really think that the problem is fixed. If you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you, my friends, on the next one. Bye!